A Garda who told a court he chased scramblers because he was trying to get them off the streets in Dublin has been handed a 2-year road ban for dangerous driving. Andrew Phelan reports that Garda Sean Shields was found guilty at Dublin District Court following a non-jury trial and has been disqualified from driving and fined €500. The case relates to an incident on the North Circular Road in May 2024 when Shields pursued 2 masked riders on scrambler-style bikes into a residential cul-de-sac. The court heard from local residents that the patrol car entered the street at speed, mounted the footpath and struck a traffic cone. CCTV footage showed the vehicle veering close to an electric bike. Shields pleaded not guilty, telling the court he believed he was in control at all times and was attempting to intercept the riders. He described scramblers and e-bikes as a constant battle for Gardaí, linking them to serious crime and fatal incidents on Dublin's streets. However, the prosecution argued his driving posed a clear risk, with one moment described as coming close to striking another road user. The court heard Shields has 6 years' service and no prior convictions.